my family, and I, myself, we believe you've been sent by God to release them. You can really help.
Yes.
You have the power to do it.
You are our hope when we were there, and now you're their hope.
Yeah.
So you didn't think until I came along, you didn't think you were going to get on?
No.
Once you were elected,
No.
we heard that you want to do everything to make a deal
Yeah.
as soon as possible.
Yeah.
And
We were so happy.
Yeah.
Well, we said you better let us have those people back.
Yeah.
you gave us
You
hope.
better let them out. We did say that, and
Yeah.
something happened, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now we got to get the rest out.
Please do it again.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank
We're
you.
working on
Thank
it
you.
very hard.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doug. You take care. We'll do the best we can.
Thank you, Mr. Doug.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Doug. You take care of yourself. It's horrible, horrible stories. Not even believable.
Thank you.
We'll get them out. We'll get them out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Mr.
Thank you,
President.
Doug. You take care of yourself,
You
okay?
too. All the best.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.
Take care. You got a good future. Telling you.